All right, everyone, we're getting ready to start a new week. The SPY. Well, let me start with this sign. I'll leave this up for a little bit. I changed it a little bit. And let's get started. All right, so the SPY is just in blue sky territory. Pretty impressive strength. As that sign just said, I want to focus on stocks that are in play. So anyway, this is a short video showing you what we're watching for Monday. XPOF. Nice volume, trying to break out above this this big island down here. WBUI is kind of a sleeper pick for me, but I like this gap up early last week and came back down and is starting to curl back up. I don't know. I really like the looks of that chart, even though it didn't have much volume on I want to say Friday. It was actually Thursday. Market was closed on Friday. NMAX. Bear with me. I'm gonna have to zoom in. All right, I had to zoom in and fix my moving averages so you could see it a little better, but you had a nice pop. I guess this was Monday, and now it's sort of flagging up here, right? So it's sort of a sleeper pick because, well, let's back it back out. This is that one that ran to 265 on day 2 of trading, and then it's gone into just can't catch any kind of momentum since then. Let's go to hourly real quick. But yeah, you can kind of see it on the hourly too. You had this nice pop and forming a little cup and handle. So over this high is where it becomes interesting to me, 1535. So anyway, another. I guess you could argue another sleeper pick, but let's watch that one on Monday. FFAI. Interesting. You can put a horizontal line there. You get this big 6-month cup and handle. VBOS. The gap up on Tuesday, then pulled back, and now is already curling back up. So let's keep our eyes on that one too. JUNS, kind of interesting, right? Couldn't find news on it, but we'll see. QUBT. Let me fix these charts. There, I went out a year on this one, so you can see this big run back here when the quantum computing plays first got hot, and now you've got this long cup and handle. Those are starting to really get in favor again. JOBY. It's just holding up really well. It's had a good run, but it's every day is showing some strength, it seems like. SRFM had this big run and then did the offering, right? And then it started chopping sideways for about a week, but it's trying to resolve to the upside, a little extra volume, especially considering Thursday was a half day, right? So let's keep our eyes on that one. UMAC, kind of obscure, but had a nice run back here, came back down, consolidating and trying to push up. Drone part manufacturers is the best I can tell. NPWR trying to break out there, and SONN had that big rip on Thursday, inside day on Wednesday, inside day on Thursday. Certainly worth watching this week. And then EGG has only been trading for 2.5 weeks, and the biggest volume yet came on Thursday. So that one could have a continuation day. And I'm going to be around in pre-market building a list of gappers to add to this. All right, we'll see you guys in chat.